Welcome children. I am Miss Ghazal. How are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, we already discussed about the sounds or names of letter. Now today we will fill up the gaps with sounds or names of letters. Now let's start our work. Children, which letter is this? A. This is A. And the sound of A is A. A. Children, this is the sound of B. B. And the letter of B is B. This is K. K. It is the sound of K. And the letter of K is C. Children, which letter is this? D. Yes. And the sound of D is D. D. This is E. Which letter is this? E. And the sound of E is A. A. This is letter of Q. Which letter is this? Q. And the sound of Q is Qua. Qua. This is H. H. And the name of letter is H. The name of letter is H. This is F. F. And the name of letter is F. This is sound of G. G. Which sound is this? G. And the name of letter is G. Children, this is sound of J. J. And the name of this sound is J. And the name of this sound is J. This is the letter I. I. And the sound of this I is E. This is K. K. This is the letter of this letter is K, and the sound of K is K. K. This sound is and the name of this sound is the name of this letter N. N. This is M. And the name of this sound is This sound is Children, this is L. L. And the name of L is L. Which letter is this? O. And the sound of O is O. O. This sound is R. R. And the name of this sound is R. Which letter is this? Which sound is this? Z. Z. And the name of Z is Z. Z. Which sound is this? P. P. And the name of letter is P. Which letter is this? S. And the sound of S is S. S. This is W. Sound of W is V. V. This is A. And the name of A is U. This is T. And the name of letter is T. This is Z. This is X. And the name of sound is Z. This sound is Y. Y. This is V, and the sound of V is V. 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 I hope children you will understand about the sound and the names of letter. Children, this is your new phonic language series book 3 means PLS. Children, open the page number 17 and do this work as we have already done on board. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.